It doesn't matter what platform you're trying to go viral on, you need to have two things happening. One, you need to implement the framework that I'm about to give you guys in this video and make sure that these principles are applied to your content. The second thing, you need to get extremely lucky. My viral piece of content, I literally put out 3 times. It just so happened to go viral the second time, which guarantees me and shows me that it's not just about making good content, it's also about getting incredibly lucky. Good thing is you're in control of this, and the more content you put out, the more you apply these pieces of framework, the more learnings you use, the luckier you're gonna get. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Robert Benjamin. I'm a paid media expert and entrepreneur. The past 6 months, I've been documenting myself growing from 0 followers to now I have over 83,000 followers across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. I'm incredibly excited to share you guys this video because I just had a TikTok video hit 1.2 million views, and it's also got me over 60,000 followers in less than 7 days. So I'm really excited to bring you guys this video. I want to give you guys all the learnings that I have from my viral video, so here they are. And if you guys like this video and want to learn more about growing your Instagram, your YouTube, or your TikTok, make sure that you comment below. Let me know what part of this video you liked. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out my Growing from 0 to 1 Million Followers playlist. The 3 principles that you need to go viral are: 1, you need to make content that's contextual to the platform. If you're putting out TikTok videos that aren't working on TikTok, it's not like things that you're seeing on the For You page, it's not gonna go viral, it's not gonna work. I don't care how many of them you put out. The same thing on Instagram. You need to be putting out IGTV videos. IGTV videos have a much better chance within the algorithm to go viral than if you just post a regular video or a photo. The second thing is that the video needs to evoke emotion. It needs to be really sad, really motivating, really funny, or a challenge, right? It needs to evoke somebody else to be able to do something. The way that you go viral is twofold. 1, you need a ton of people to interact with what you're doing, you need a ton of people to share it, and then once those things happen, that's gonna push it further in the algorithm, but you need to make content that people are gonna react to. It needs to be something incredibly emotional. It can't just be something that's like a little bit funny or a little bit happy, a little bit sad. It really needs to fucking punch through and really, really, really provoke somebody to share it, provoke somebody to like it. You need to get somebody to tell somebody else about it, and you need to make word of mouth happen on the internet, and that's how you go viral. The third thing and most important thing that I can't emphasize enough, the content needs to be shareable. You need somebody else to want to go show their friends this. Whether that's because it's sad, it made them happy, it was funny, whatever the case may be, if your content's not shareable, there's a 0% chance that you're gonna go viral. And the number one thing that you need to focus on is making it shareable through either having it be funny, informative, whatever the case may be, it needs to be shareable. So there you guys have it. Those are the 3 principles for making a viral video. The main thing I want you guys to take away from this is that 99.9% of this is complete luck. The 0.0% is doing those 3 things right that I shared with you guys. But other than that, all you can do is continue to put out content, just continue to push, push, and push. It took me 700 posts to get a viral video. It might take you guys less, it might take you more, but the main thing is you need to apply those principles and just keep going so that you yourself can get lucky also. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you thought of this in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you subscribe and check out my playlist where I'm growing from 0 followers to 1 million followers on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and documenting the entire process.